What's up, guys? We're finally ready to give you a rundown on the ELP147, the new medium duty 7x14 dump trailer we've been talking about. So we got a white one behind me here, one further back in the equipment yellow. I saw a couple metallic gray ones here. We've also got a Ranger green one over here. So we got a few colors in the yard today, but we'll give you a rundown, what we changed, what's the same, what's different, and why you may need the new ELP147. At the front, the toolbox hydraulic housing is all the same as the LP147. Same power pack, same everything stayed the same. You can see the spare tire got relocated on this one. It's now beside. And the tarp kit, we also have a new tarp kit that came out. That's on all the ELPs now. Same mechanism, everything works the same, just different components. You got a nice rubber handle now. You turn to the side out of the way. This latch is a little more friendly to our winters here, won't be rusting. And we got nice pillow blocks in here with bearings, so everything will operate a little smoother. Along the side, rub rail and stake pockets, again, will be a standard on the ELP147s. It's not included on some of the smaller ones where you just don't need it as much. Board brackets included, so you got your 8-inch boards just to give you an additional side height, as well as we've mentioned this before. It's more or less just cheap insurance if you're loading over the side with a bucket machine. Rather than crushing or damaging your actual steel side, you just bang up a board, which is simple enough to replace. Fenders, wheels, suspension, this is all, again, the same. So we got our heavy duty checker plate fender, two 7,000 pound spring axles. So the GVW on this trailer is still 14,000 pounds. This thing weighs in at about 3,400 pounds. So obviously we've shaved off, 1,400 pounds compared to the heavy duty LP series. So our GVW is still the same, but this isn't your typical heavy duty skid steer machine. While you can load machines in here, you're not going to be loading a 10,000, 12,000 pound wheeled machine in here. Lighter machines, contractors like roofers, landscapers, hauling material, that's ideal trailer for you at a much more economical price. A lot of people just don't need the heavy I-beam LP series dump trailers that we have. At the back, again, the back doors we've simplified a little bit to bring costs down, but also to make it just easier to use, more user-friendly for anybody to use. So the latch, very similar, but it's just a basic two gate barn door system. Our holdback is the same system. We modified it a little bit with a little lever here. So again, you just pop it over the hinge, lift it when you're ready to close. Simple as that. Our 7-foot ramps are housed in the exact same place as on the LP series. It's the same ramp, which are optional on the ELP. So if you are looking to haul in equipment, that'd be something you need. The D-rings inside the box, the 14-foot dumps, just like the LPs, will come with 4 D-rings included. The rear ones we relocated up on the sidewall. The thought process is just there if you're driving in with muddy wheels or tracks, you're not driving over the D-rings, filling them up with mud where you later have to dig them out. So underneath is where most of the change happened. The scissor hoist is the same, it's still a 7-ton scissor hoist. We stayed with that, we like it, it works well. But the construction of the body itself in the frame is where you'll see the differences. You don't have your full cross member frame here, the strong structural design you see in the LPs, where we have lots of cross members, lots of structure to carry those dense loads, those dense small compact machines that have a small footprint. The main frame is a channel frame here versus an I-beam frame, right? And we get our 2 box rails, similar to the ones you see on gravel boxes and end dumps, obviously just on a smaller, lighter scale. So you got your main rails and a few cross members in between, 7-ton hoist. Other than that, everything is very similar. You have 14,000 pound GVW, similar carrying capacity. It's just a lighter construction of a trailer. So medium duty, 7x14, 14,000 pound GVW trailer. So the ELP147 is a perfect mid-level dump trailer for the average construction crew, contractor, homeowner, acreage owner. You still get your GVW, just in a more economical price-based series, lighter construction, less weight to pull. Like I said, we've shaved off about 1,300 pounds. So you just get less trailer, just something to bear in mind There is guys that need a heavy I-beam construction that are hauling heavy machinery. They may be better off with the LP, but if it's not you, then the ELP147 is maybe the trailer for you. And behind me here is the equipment yellow. We've also got 11 other colors to choose from. We had the white, there's a lime green, there's a ranger green, and we'll be putting out some content highlighting all the colors. These are available in all of the 12 colors. Check out the colors online, AAtrailers.ca.